Hello highlighters, it's Leo here. May chismis ako sa inyo. Cinemalaya Film Festival is happening again with the team of Lalim Loob Lakas. At ano nga ba sila? At sino nga ba sila? Sila lang naman ang nagdadala ng dekalidad at walang tapon na pelikulang Pinoy. And now presenting to you the full-length films. Alipato at Muog, Ang Errand, Balota, Gulay Lang Manong, Kantil, Kono Basho, Love Child, The Hearing, Tumandok, The Wedding Dance. And the 20th Cinemalaya Film Festival will be happening at Ayala Malls, Manila, May, and other films will be shown on selected cinemas starting August 2 up to August 11, 2024. At for sure, highlighters, hindi kayo magsisisi dito at tara, takilikin ang sariling atin. See you there, highlighters! Hello, highlighters!